Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In 2090, when Hyundai and Kia introduced Intelligent Variable Transmission or IVT, the major variation in Intelligent Variable Transmission is they swapped their push belt to a chain belt. In this video, I'm going to talk about the variation between push belt and chain belt. So let's start. The chain belt is not an entirely new thing in a continuously variable transmission or CVT, but it is in a normal compact transmission. That is the main reason Hyundai highlighted the change from push belt to the chain belt. First, we will look at what are the components in a push belt that is used in normal CVT transmission systems. There are mainly two components. One is the ring, second one is the lock, that is actually a metal pin that is arranged in the transverse manner, or it is placed in a direction lateral to the chain belt. Actually, these pins are interlocked with the rings. The pins are also known as elements. The number of rings that is used in the belt will depend on the rigidity and the torque and power that we need to transmit to the different pulleys. And the rings are also made of steel sheets, and there will be a number of rings depending on the torque and power we need to transmit. And there is the element which is also made of metal. But in the chain belt, as the name implies, it contains a number of array of steel plates that is arranged in a longitudinal direction corresponding to the chain belt. I already said it is nothing new in a continuously variable transmission, and it is already used in the transmission system that is used in premium cars for better fuel economy and with better transmission efficiency. There are no rings used in this chain belt compared to the normal push belt, but there are pins that is interlocking these plates which is arranged in the longitudinal direction. These types of belt system will be used when we need to supply more torque with higher transmission efficiency. By swapping the push belt to the chain belt, Hyundai have achieved an improvement in transmission efficiency by 5%. The interlocking of these chain belt plates that is arranged longitudinally will provide more rigidity to transmit more torques efficiently with no slip. All other CVTs that is used in this category of car uses a push belt instead of the chain belt. So this will have lower transmission efficiency compared to the IVT system that is used in Hyundai and Kia cars. If you learned about the variation between the push belt and chain belt using in the CVT systems, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated in the automotive industry. Hit the bell icon to get notified when I make a new upload. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.